Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've sort of fingers back with you again with hopefully what will be another interesting little ditty for you. A little practice piece, a little show-off piece if you like. This is a piece called Henry, and it's the intro to Maggie May from Rod Stewart on the album version. Okay, it was played and written by a gentleman called Martin Quidden, I think something I can pronounce his name, okay. But he actually wrote part of the Maggie May song as well, I believe, okay. So, there we have it. It's my work in progress at the moment, but I will be hopefully showing you how to play this little ditty in a couple of days' time, break it down for you. It sounds quite complicated, but when you slow it down, it's start off slow and build it up, it's not too bad, okay. Two fingers, so basically two finger picking. Obviously I'm no finger picker, but if I can do it with two fingers, I'm sure you can. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days, and if you like that, please press the like button, and if you want to know when I put up videos, press the subscribe button. You'll get a notification when I do something new. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.